Shawnee Sherwood here. I just got done running a few on this horse that I've never been on before, and she felt really nice. She had a lot of run, super light mouthed. I think anybody could get along with her. Low numbered up to a high numbered. She's really soft, so the one thing is just as long as you keep your hands light and everything, then I think should work for just about everybody, but she felt really good.
I just got done running some steers on this horse. I run 4 head on her. She's, like I say, she's real light and stuff, and had plenty of run. The only thing that I seen on her was like the last one there, I tied the rope on a little bit of a gain, and she gave me 1 step down the arena, which is probably right or air. I've only rode her 1 time. It's the first time I've ever rode her. And she popped her hip out there just a couple times when I roped, and that's a little bit on me. I picked up on her. If you stayed a little lighter with your hand, I think she'd stay right there and just leave off your hand. But she seemed like she was super good to ride and super easy to catch on, something that, I mean, I think you'd have to be a 5 or above at least to try ride her. I don't know if a lower numbered guy would get along with her just as good, just as light as she is and stuff, but she was super good to ride and stuff.